Well, hi there, and welcome to another edition of The Teaching Lady. Today, it's about the drill. You know, drills have been very instrumental in my life. Wow, I made that sound like it was something major. No, they've been very helpful, seriously. The drill, I can't imagine working with a screw manually by hand trying to make something, build something, and not have a drill. Now, I'm not promoting any brand. This is just the brand that I use. It's the one I'm most comfortable with. It's the one that fits my hand the best. It's the one I can afford, honestly, and it does the job. There might be something out there that's much better. I'm sure there is. The guys would probably say, oh man, that thing is, you need to get this one. Well, I can't afford that one, so this is what I use. Plus, I like the green. It's pretty. Well, this is a battery-powered drill. And as you can tell, I take this out, nothing. Put this in, we got a little juice, right? 18 volt works great. 18 volt I find works much better than the 12 volt. I don't even know that they sell 12 volts anymore. Now this particular drill has a two-part chuck, what I call a two-part chuck, okay? That's not your boyfriend that you had 2 years ago. Two-part chuck. This here and this here, and you'll see I have a drill bit in this one. To get this out, there's a couple of different ways, but the way I always use to get this out is to grab the little part of the chuck, and spin the big part towards you to loosen this, okay? So it's going towards you or going what we would call counterclockwise if you want a formal definition of that. So it's going this way, and you can see as I'm loosening it, it's going down, and the opening where that goes is getting smaller. Now if I want to put the drill bit back in, I'm going to do it so actually it goes the other way, and see how that is coming close. Alright, so watching this right here, see how it goes back in, goodbye, and it's coming back out. There you go. So your drill bit goes in this hole. Now, word of advice, because I've done this a bunch of times. You want to get this, okay, and your drill bit's going to go right in there. Now you want those 3 teeth to grab that thing, and you want it to grab it evenly. If it doesn't grab it evenly, you'll start drilling and you'll be going like that. Your drill will be going like this, and you'll snap the bit. I've done it, I don't know how many times, thinking I had this in here. So what I do is I check to make sure when I'm tightening this up, okay, and tightening it up, I'm just doing the reverse action of what I did to loosen it. I'm making sure, 1, that it's not coming out, and 2, that it's straight. If it looks cockeyed in any way, it is not in there correctly, and you'll just make a big mess. And you could hurt yourself, because when you're drilling, when that drill bit breaks, the drill wants to follow, and I have actually stabbed myself a few times, and let me tell you, that is no fun. People wonder why I have, sometimes I come in to work or go to church with scabs because I missed or did something foolish. So that's the drill bit. I would use this drill for drilling holes. I would also use it for screwing screws, wood screws. And let me just show you. This would be a wood screw. I think it's a number 6 by 1.5 inches. Phillips head. Okay, we talked about that before. A Phillips head screw. And I would use this drill to screw these in. There's another drill that I have that I'll talk about in a different video that I would not use to drill these in because it snaps the heads off. And there's nothing like getting the screw all the way into the wood and the head snaps off, and then you can't. You got to start a new hole. Bad, 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 bad. So anyway, that is the drill. Love the drill, especially these. And I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you like to learn more about tools, subscribe to my link at the bottom. The Teaching Lady on YouTube, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.